The next one.
A Y.
So what's it telling the microbit to do?
Up and down.
Yes, and then what's the last one?
Z, forward and backward.
So it's language. It's just language. It's telling the microbit to get those things.
This one.
Yeah.
Pero capital. Capital.
I'll show you how
Wait,
we're
I
gonna
just have
test
to
it.
do this right now. Really fast. Sleep 1,000.
Everybody show me their code. Yay. Just download it and we'll test it on your microbit itself.
Sleep 1,000. Microbit. Just downloading.
All right.
Help.
Is that what you had?
Yes, and a smiley face.
All right. So move your microbit around. We're going to test it. Stop it. All right. Now you're going to go to your microbit. And now it'll open in the screen. That was its movement. Now watch. Visual preview.
Visual preview.
That's how much you moved your microbit. So the middle line would be if it was steady, right?
Yeah.
And then what's the blue?
The blue is the Y, so the up and down.
Right.
And the Z was the forward and backwards.
And you didn't move that a lot. Look at how close it is to the middle line.
I see.
Your mark. Get set. Press A. Go. Oh, Natalia, you have your smiley face there.
Yeah.
I think it might work. I think you. So what are you guys going to do when you cross the line?
Stop.
Press B. Did you code it to say?
Stop.
Is it saying stop?
Yeah.
Show everybody point to their middle line. That's where it's the steadiest.
Yeah, actually Sebastian won because he got both of those in the middle.
I think he did get.
All right, everybody.